Imagine turning a failing Google AdWords account into a 318,000 in terms of revenue and doing it with an incredible 1331.88 ROAS. That is exactly what we did for a luxury vacation rental company on Hilton Head Island. But just a few months ago, their reality was completely different. They had everything travelers dream of: gorgeous luxury villas, cozy family homes, stunning beach condos. On the outside, everything looked flawless, but behind the scenes, money was burning, clicks were coming in, but the bookings were almost non-existent. Honestly, as a business owner, is there anything more frustrating than that? Watching your hard-earned marketing budget completely disappear into the thin air without getting the real results. So if your business is facing that exact same problem, you are in the right place. Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Amy and we are Softrix. For the past 17 years, our team has been helping brands just like yours scale to the next level through the Google Ads high performance optimizations, meta ads, advanced SEO and the website development. Today I am going to share you the exact blueprint we use to transform this underperforming brand into a booking magnet so you can apply these exact same strategies to your business. So let's set the stage. When our team first audited the account back in September 2025, what we found was shocking but honestly incredibly common. This business was trying to capture a high competitive market with just one single messy campaign running. There was just no proper structure, no real targeting and zero clear strategy. The account was generating a meager $8,000 in terms of revenue with a miserable ROAS of just 2.16. In the luxury travel market, a 2-time ROAS barely covers your costs, let alone generate a profit. We dug deep into the data and uncovered 3 massive red flags that were likely draining your budget right now too. Number 1, broad math nightmares. Their keywords were far too broad, meaning they were paying for clicks from the people who were not even looking to book. Number 2, lazy ad copy. There was no A/B testing, no emotional hook and no strategy behind the messaging. And the number 3, the biggest one, conversion tracking was completely broken. When people did book, the system was not tracking it because Google did not have the accurate data. Its algorithm could not find more buyers. It was like trying to fish in an ocean with a broken net. When they came to Softrix, we have promised to build the entire account from the ground up. First, we have fixed the foundation by repairing the conversion tracking so every single dollar could be measured. Next, we have killed the one-size-fits-all campaign. Instead, we have built highly targeted campaigns based on the property type, seasonal demand, and the customer intent. Because of family planning a summer vacation search is entirely different than a couple looking for a luxury getaway. They need different messaging. We have rolled out the aggressive A/B testing on the ad copy, deployed a massive list of negative keywords to instantly cut out the wasted spend, and optimized bids based on the devices and the demographics. We have analyzed their intent weekly, shifted budgets dynamically, and cut out the inefficiencies the second they appeared. And that is how we took a struggling account and skyrocketed it to the $318,000 in terms of revenue and an incredible 13.88 ROAS. For every single dollar spent put into the system, the business generated nearly $32 back. The ads were no longer a random expense. They became the company's strongest growth engine. So here is the ultimate takeaway. Data growth is not always about spending the money. Most of the time, it's simply about spending smarter. If your Google AdWords account is struggling, if your Meta ads are draining your wallet, or if you feel like you are throwing money into a black hole without seeing the results, so let us take a look at it. We want to share your business, our next major success story. Reach out to the Softrix team today. You can visit our website, call us directly, or drop a message on WhatsApp with your current budget and your location targeting. The team will personally review your account, provide you with a transparent, highly detailed audit, and help you build a roadmap that actually converts clicks into the paying customers. If you want to see your revenue scale like this, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share the video with a fellow business owner. Thanks so much for watching, and we look forward to growing your business.